Systek is a leader and specialist of digital door locks in Korea. The excellent quality and design are the main reason for the success of digital door locks in Korea and other countries. Milre Systek has received a number of prizes for customer satisfaction from the Korean government and numerous media. Milre, a digital door lock produced by Milre Systek, has a valued brand of digital door locks in the market. Milre Systek, a company established in 1991 as KL Engineering, has accumulated technologies, starting with the development of circuit boards, a core part of digital door locks. Based on proprietary technology, the company launched its own brand, Milre Digital Door Lock MI 2000 in 2003. Since then, the company has released secure and more convenient products steadily. All these products and services have been done with the company's own technologies. Milre Systek's products have been satisfying customers with complete quality management. The company has acquired various international certificates for product reliability through strong tests regarding tolerance to static electricity, resistance against heat, cold, and moisture, destruction strength, and automatic opening and closing, and has achieved the lowest defective rate in the industry. Developed the world's first real-time displacement type number touchpad through its outstanding R&D, which is, the positions of numbers are changed every time when you use the product. Two-way mortise locks which can be easily installed. A function that users can regularly check remaining battery capacity. A function to control operating sounds in 8 steps. Mute function to open doors at night without causing inconvenience to neighbors from operating sounds. Milre Systek is doing its best to improve the company's technology for all manufacturing processes through its R&D, from the development of creative design to instrument and circuit design and production. More than 2 million sets of Milre digital door locks have been sold since 2003. The biggest goal of Milre, a digital door lock brand of Milre Systek, is to become a high-class brand recognized by global markets and to satisfy the company's philosophy of making a contribution to the improvement of mankind's residential culture. All members of the company will do their best to develop the company into a high-class global digital door lock maker, supplying various and innovative products to all corners of the world, with an aim to make the company a leader in the digital door lock industry. High-class digital door locks. Goods under the brand name Milre includes mortise lock, rim lock for the locking device on the door, and locker locks for individual lockers. Now we will meet the Milre products one by one. MI 6300 Force. The company's standard mortise door lock, equipped with high security, safety, and convenience. Using a two-way solution function, the door can be opened with a digital key and password. Various colors of the LED lamps display the product's operating status, enhance the design, and indicate the remaining battery capacity in 3 colors, allowing for easy check of the battery. Using an anti-panic handle type, people can easily escape in emergencies, including fires, and it can also be used in ordinary times, improving convenience. The mute function is designed to be totally silent during operation, so as not to disturb the neighbor. MI 5000 Duke. The world's first real-time displacement type number touchpad causes no troubles, even if fingerprints are left after using it. While operating the product, the number's positions change in real time, eliminating this type of lock's weak points of fingerprints exposing the password. In addition, this product has a capacitance type touch mode similar to a smartphone, allowing for a softer touch. MI430 SD Triple. MI430 SD is a smart digital door lock with various functions. For this product, a three-way solution to open a door with a smart card with smart chips and public transportation cards also can be registered with the lock. Security has been improved by applying real-time displacement type number touchpads, similar to the MI5000. People can also check the remaining battery capacity with an 8-step LED level meter system. MI350D Champ. Using a two-way solution function, the door can be opened with a digital key and password. This product has a mute function and a highly safe and convenient anti-hacking system. A fire sensor detects when the room temperature is 65 degrees or higher, such as in case of a fire, and device is automatically unlocked. MI2300. This product, a digital door lock which people can open using passwords, has a master function. A master function means that a manager controls the user code. MI1200. New locking types of personal storage boxes. A digital lock device used for individual lockers at places such as companies, schools, libraries, hospitals, dormitories, and golf courses. Passwords and digital keys promote convenience. It allows guests to use a temporary password and digital key without registration for ease and convenience. A product with various modes which can be chosen according to the purpose of the place of business. Milre's new technology gives you a safe and convenient digital life. Enjoy your digital life with Milre products. Milre, coming soon to a door near you.